Today we are going to learn about articles. Do you know what articles are? Let me tell you. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. The words such as a, an, and the are known as articles. Generally, these are used before nouns. Articles are in fact adjectives. Articles are further divided into two types: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article is a or an, whereas definite article is the. Indefinite article. The word a or an is called the indefinite article because it does not point out any one definite person, animal, or thing. Students, indefinite means not clearly expressed or defined. For example, number 1, I saw a dog, a cow, and a horse. In this example, a is placed before dog, cow, and horse. It is not specifying any particular animal in this sentence. It can be out of many, any dog, any cow, and any horse. Second example. Have you an umbrella with you? In this example, an is placed before umbrella. And it is also not specifying any particular umbrella. It can be out of many, any umbrella. Students, one important point that you need to keep in your mind is that a or an can be used only before singular countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns that can be counted. Like in the first example, a cow, a dog, a horse specify that we are talking about only one cow, one dog, and one horse. We cannot use indefinite articles a and an before uncountable nouns. For example, ink, water, milk, wood, flower, meat, sugar, music, smoke, rain, air, electricity. All these things cannot be counted. So these are uncountable nouns. So we cannot use article a or an before them. Definite article. The word the is called the definite article because it points out some particular person, animal, or thing. For example, this is the dog I saw. In this sentence, the points out the particular animal which is either known or is mentioned before in the sentence. Let's take one more example to understand it in a better way. I saw a cat. The cat was chasing a mouse. In this example, in the first sentence, a is placed before cat. And in the second sentence, the is placed before cat. This is because in the first sentence, we were not aware of the cat. It can be any cat. But in the second sentence, we are using the cat because we are now aware that we are talking about this particular cat. I hope students you all understood about the difference between indefinite article and definite article. Let us learn the use of a and an in a sentence. But before we learn about a and an, let us recap about consonants and vowels. Students, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet family. Letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All these letters other than vowels are called consonants. To make correct use of articles a and an in a sentence, you must know the difference between vowels and consonant sound. Students, look at your page 76, 88 point. A is used. Number 1. Before a consonant sound as I saw a boy walking in the garden. Other example is a motor car runs very fast. Students, a is placed before a noun if it starts with a consonant sound. As the word boy is starting with a consonant sound b. And in the second example, motor car is starting with a consonant sound m. So, a can be placed before such nouns which start with a consonant sound. Second point. A is used before U, pronounced as U. Students, we are aware that U is a vowel and its sound is A. But if U sounds as U itself, then we will not consider it as vowel. We will consider it as a consonant, and the indefinite article A will be placed before words starting with U and sounding as U itself. A cow is a useful animal. In this sentence, the word useful makes the sound U. Though U is a vowel, so A is placed before useful. Second example, he is a European. Though the word European is starting with E, which is one of the vowels, and its sound is A. But when we are pronouncing European, we are getting the starting sound U. And the U sound is considered as consonant sound. So, A is placed before European. Third point, before O pronounced as wa. Here also students, we know that O is a vowel and its sound is O. But if O is pronounced as wa, then it is considered as consonant. As in the example given below, I lost a 1 rupee note. Here 1 is starting with O, but it is sounding as wa. So A is placed before 1. So students, you need to focus more on the sound than on the letter. Then only you can make correct use of A and an in a sentence. Now let's learn about the use of an in a sentence. Students, an is placed before the words that are starting with vowel sound. You should know all the vowel sound, then only you can make correct use of an in a sentence. For example, I saw an ass grazing in the garden. In this sentence, the noun as is starting with letter A and making vowel sound, so an is placed before it. Second example, there is an egg on the plate. Here also the word egg is starting with a vowel and making a vowel sound, so an is placed before egg. Third example, have you an inkpot with you? So students, you know that inkpot is starting with I, which is a vowel and making a vowel sound. So an is placed before inkpot. Number 2, an is used before a silent H. Students, we know that H is a consonant. And there are few words which start with H, but H is silent in those words. Let's see some examples. He was an hour late. In this sentence, an is placed before hour, though hour is starting with H. This is because H is silent in hour and it is pronounced with a vowel sound. Second example, he is an honest man. Here also the word honest start with a silent H, but when we are pronouncing it, we are getting O sound, which is a vowel sound. That's why an is placed before honest.